Mikey and Mels. Welcome back to the channel. Hyped to show you guys what's out here.
This Nova's gorgeous. I'm not a huge muscle guy, but always been a fan of Novas. Yellow S2K is clean. I like the details. Yes, sir. 68, 69 Camaro, that's so sweet. Boy, got the 502 in there. This Mark III is crazy. White works on there. Red interior. Old school Porsche is super clean. That red interior. And the gold badges. 1600, that's so sweet. These are cool too. Whatever those are. Love a good front mount. Tire on the back is crazy. Looks like he had the hood pop. Hopefully he doesn't drive away like that. Check the wheels out on this Civic. And the color of the Civic is crazy, but these wheels are insane. How y'all feel about those? I like the blue hardware. Finish. Interesting. Beamer's really clean. Love the wheel setup on here. Yeah, sweet. Evo is sick. It's in great shape. Love the tow hook on the hood. Not on the hood, but through the hood. That's so sweet. Hydraulic boys out here. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but this paint is crazy. Look at that. Interior takes you back. Hey, yo, got the LS in there. That's cool. Insane C5. Tire out back, carbon out back. Sheesh. The dump. That's wild. Gorgeous AMG GTR. I love how there's a little bit of active air up here. Carbon roof, of course. This orange is gorgeous. AMG on the brakes. The hood is insane. The whole front. Let me zoom out. Look at that. And I mean, you can see down into the engine bay. So good. The new R35. What do you guys think about this one? I don't think I'm a fan. Front bumper, that front bumper is terrible. I do like the wing though. That's kind of cool. Yeah, the back bumper, I mean, it's good too, but the front end, easily, I'm sure that can easily be fixed though. Now that I'm a Beamer boy, I look a little closer at the homies. So, huge fan of that wing. Let me show you guys this thing. Huge fan of the wing. I don't think I can pull it off, but it looks good here. Huge fan of these style wheels too. Also loving these. They're 17s though, but I love the concavity of them. Got the Schnitzer style wheels on this one. It's a timeless look on there. Check this Z out. So yeah, she's super wide, crazy color, but then got a RB in here. Crazy. That's a good build. Got the steering wheel chilling up there. Got a gas tank in there. Look at these wheels. And they're just gaming on the back. Love it. Dang, talk about luxury. You see this interior? Beautiful brown. And it's got, kind of got back seats. The M5 wagon out here. I love the matte black with the carbon accents. It's a big girl. Sweet though. Front end, crazy. The rear is pretty wild too. But yeah, the matte and the carbon's clean. I love the blue on these. I gotta figure out, if you know what the name of this blue is, let me know. That's gotta be a wrap one day. M3 comp though. I love the roof line there. Carbon. So good. This is goals right here, guys. Such a good car. Got the carbon trunk on there, carbon diffuser on the bottom. Those are the taillights I want to get at some point. Stock fenders. Says it makes around 700. So good. The yellow with the blue accents. I don't know why I said accents like that. Still a huge Evo fan. I would have got one if they were, I mean, I can't say too much. I got an M54, but if they were a little bit more reliable. She got the hood dump. Okay, I see you. M3 kind of looks like Laguna, like what you did with the trunk there. Roof's carbon too. Look at that. Good for you. And carbon everywhere. I see you. Sheesh. Blue is insane. Forge lines on there, bead locks with the orange brakes and the amber on the, oh man. Look at these seats. Sissio, okay. Look at that engine bay. Crazy. I'd love to hear this. Gorgeous M8. All the carbon. Look at that. So good. Wheels are incredible. Carbon mirrors and roof, of course. Imagine me getting M8 seats with that stitch. Oh my gosh. Look at the steering wheel. Carbon on the back of the seats with the, oh man, I need these seats. Probably like 15 grand. Good car. Baltic Blue, Mark IV. That's sweet too. Hopefully he's about to crank it up. So sweet. This one looks just like my old one, RIP. This one's pretty sweet. BC Forged on the back, huge fan. Man, that looks good. Looking real patriotic down there. Nismo GTR with all the carbon. So good. I like the wheels he's got on there. Deep dish, boys. The blue on that McLaren. The blue on that McLaren is good. Two young guys too. Good for them.